July 2006, a group of students from the Tokyo Institute of Technology had assembled to set an unusual record. They had built an unusual aircraft that weighed just 54 kilograms, but with a wingspan of 31 meters, it was very fragile. The group had picked the early morning hours because the air was still. Any turbulence would spell disaster for the delicate plane. The craft was powered by 160 commercially available AA batteries. Matsushita was a technology partner in the project and had supplied their new oxy-nickel hydroxide dry cells. Student Tomohiro Kamiya piloted the craft. At 53 kilograms, he was just 1 kilo lighter than his plane. The tiny battery pack yielded 800 watts, and for the plane to fly, the batteries would have to maintain that output for at least a minute. The students, steadying the wings, used small props that prevented them imparting any extra energy to the plane. As it gathered speed, the slender wings bowed upward. Around the world, designers are experimenting with electrically powered aircraft that get their energy from solar cells, hydrogen fuel cells, or advanced technology cells, such as lithium polymer batteries. But this was the first time off-the-shelf batteries had successfully powered a piloted aircraft. The plane reached a height of 5 meters and travelled a distance of 391 meters in a flight that lasted 59 seconds. The goal had been to exceed the distance flown by the Wright brothers' first flight.